Hey there, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to do a simple 5-minute meditation, quick and easy for beginners, and it's all going to be about practicing mindfulness and enjoying the present moment and immersing yourself in that present moment. To get started, you'll just want to sit somewhere comfy, whatever feels good for you. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, on a bed. Just be comfy. When you're ready, you'll either close your eyes or relax your gaze in front of you. You can leave your hands sitting on your lap like so, or you can form a mudra. We're going to start by taking 5 long, deep breaths. Start to notice where those breaths are landing in your body. You feel any tightness? You feel like your breaths are shallow? Are you able to take really nice deep breaths? And focus on the sound of your breathing. You want to keep your spine nice and tall with your head directly over your shoulders, directly over your rib cage, and right over your tailbone. Really pushing ourselves to elongate the spine and taking those deep breaths in with it. As thoughts arrive in your mind, notice them, but set them aside for later. And come back to your breath, focusing on your inhale and a long exhale. This time is for you and your breath, and creating an openness for mindfulness in your life. Being here in this present moment with your breath. You always have your breath to rely on. As you go about your day, you can always come back to your breathing and allow it to clear your mind. And focus back in on the present moment. If you'd like, you can join me in circling your neck, loosening up those shoulders and that spine, getting ready to resume your day a little bit more mindful than you were before. Take 2 more really big, deep breaths, as big as you can. Inhale. Fill those lungs. And slow exhale. One more big breath and we'll open our arms up to the universe and the sky. We'll bring our hands to our heart center. Great job. Namaste.